Penang International Travel Exchange, an event organized by ACE Conferences and supported by the Penang Convention and Exhibition Bureau, PCEB, returned with a bang on 7 to 9 November 2023. This 6th edition promises to be an unforgettable experience, gathering over 80 distinguished international buyers from 18 countries alongside 42 top-notch exhibitors from Malaysia. The event showcased their latest offering, foster fruitful collaboration, and showcase the best the region has to offer. PITE 2023 boasts an impressive itinerary that includes dynamic B2B sessions, enlightening site inspections, educational workshop, and engaging networking events.
I'm here in PITE to attend this fantastic meet and to know more about Penang. Also explored the possibility of working with the hotels and the vendors here for my ecotourism trips in Penang. PITE really benefits me in a way where I get to network and meet the suppliers of various tourism products. Also, I will have the chance to go around Penang to see what possibilities there are in terms of my sort of business, which is adequately cut out for my customers.
PITE gave me the chance to know more about the destination and about the suppliers, and gave us a collaboration with suppliers from the region to work together to bring groups to Penang. Penang used to be a good destination for FIT travelers, but not for business travelers. So this is a good chance for us to know the facilities, the infrastructure, and start bringing business groups to Penang.
I'm here to meet some new buyers for Penang, basically, so that I can strengthen on my MICE portfolio, where I can offer my corporate clients a new destination for the MICE. Generally, people look for Singapore, Thailand, Dubai for MICE, but Penang is not that much known among the Indian audience, actually, Indian corporates. So my basic thought is to visit here and get information about this destination, and later on promote it for the corporate bookings, MICE bookings.
For now, for main, it's a benefits. It's to show the people not only the beach holidays, but only together with some culture experience, and with to give them the reason to return back. Yes, and bring their friends, and we will be happy to handle all services for them. For Penang, it's looking it's a very modern, yes, and very big city with a very nice and famous heritage part. Yes, and this is a must-see place in that area. I'm surprising that we not visit and not put in our program it before. Yeah, because in any way so famous place, it's now people start to be more interesting. Yeah, because beach, just like a beach holidays for 10 days on the beach, it's coming to be not so popular, and people start to exploring areas and culture. This is very good and very nice.